Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So guys, actually all that we have said yesterday now is completed. As we said, market probably will try to challenge the area above this 21.45 approximately top. Grab the stops above it and then we will see what will happen. Now market is also has tested not just the daily overbought areas. You can see it trying to creep with the daily overbought day by day, just forming minor pullbacks, but also now it's tentative overbought on the weekly chart. So today we're mostly considering weekly and daily chart rather than intraday, because on intraday charts we do not see anything interesting. And due to the coming payrolls report, this probably might be some market could take some pause in overall performance. Let's see what will happen here. Technical analysis suggests that here we should get some bounce because market definitely is overextended, but very often it depends on what the driving factor stands on the back of this action. Sometimes market could ignore technical picture if driving factor stands really strong. As I said today in the euro currency video, we guys start to suspect that currently the major driving factor becomes not anticipation of the rate cut or not the balance between the interest rates in Europe and the United States, and not even the condition of the economy in the United States. But in the recent action, it stands across the board, because we'll take a look on other markets. You can see the same story. This is 10-year yield is dropping here. Dollar is also dropping. We start suspecting that investors have some doubts concerning reliability of the United States dollar. It was really shocked amount of the debt has been accumulated just in the 3 months, $1 trillion in 3 months. It's well, actually nothing to comment with this situation. And we suspect that why the demand for the euro currency also stand, investors get some doubts concerning the role of the United States dollar as a reserve currency, whether it is fits the idea of the reserve currency. So currently maybe this question, not even the performance of the economy, the strength of the economy or weakness, which has become the minor factor. The currency currently is a problem with the actual reliability on some currency as a reserve one. And from that standpoint, euro looks much better. Despite that euro has worse economic conditions, crisis in the euro currency stands strong and deeper than the United States, but they do not have so strong debt level. And from that standpoint, euro seems more attractive in terms of the preserving of the value. Inflation currently is approximately the same as in Europe as in the United States. And we start suspecting that these factors becoming more and more valuable in the current performance. Of course, it was not able to predict it just because nobody expected that the United States government will start borrow with such as an appetite that it's doing right now. So that has been said, currently, once again, if you would like to take the long position, you could think about it because you can see the market is moving higher. But personally, as I'm a bit conservative trader, I prefer to not take the positions in when I advance now that from the technical point of view, this will be the mistake. So I'm not buying at the overbought areas. I prefer to wait for some pullback, especially we have here nice thrusting action that we already talked about yesterday. And any pullback here will give us a great stop for possible position taking. Despite ahead, we have some important events in payrolls report. Maybe European Central Bank meeting somehow also will make impact, although usually it makes no impact on the gold. Well, chance exists that we could get some bounce, and that will be much better to consider taking a long position rather than doing right now. Second moment from the bearish point of view, also not good, or better to say overall preparation for a possible taking scalp short position on intraday charts looks not bad, as we're bought on both time frames, on daily and weekly. But unfortunately, if you take a look at hourly chart, 4-hour time frame chart, hourly chart, you do not see here anything. So nothing to hang for here, just thinking about the bearish position, because nothing is ready. And from that standpoint of view, it's also nothing to do here. So our conclusion here is to wait for payrolls report and see maybe something will change in the current performance. Any pullback here could give us great bread by the buy with a possible upward continuation. That's what about technical stuff. On long term, now long-term analysis, those of you who read us for a year or 2 years and was with us when we recommend to buy gold on 1650 area, you can see how investment position is working right now in preserving the wealth. It's showing great performance. Also, guys, do not pay attention to the cheap talks concerning that Bitcoin ETFs attracts 50 billions, gold market ETFs contracts no billions. So, which means that Bitcoin is much better. This is just this trying to manipulate the data. It's trying to manipulate your mind. It's just because the accumulation of the ETFs is just the rebalancing of the assets that were previously in a grayscale fund. And this is not the new money that's coming to these ETFs. This is just reshaping of the same market. Yes, of course, there are some inflows, but not to this degree that it's showing in the inflows in the ETFs. So, and gold performance right now just points on that. So let's see what will happen. That's enough for me in this video. Especially it's interesting what will happen on the payrolls.